Hey, I'm Stacy Chaffin, the Fix and List agent, and I'm going to paint a little picture for you about your new fix and listed property. So you've just finished doing home improvements to the home, and now the only thing left to do is put it on the market. At this point, you'll be preparing for an open house showings. But how do you effectively host an open house showing to highlight the transformation of the property? When preparing your fix and list or flipped home for showings, it's important to remember one thing. Your home is not just any home, it has a history. And that gives your property more charm and uniqueness. The usual standard open house showings may work for you, but it won't maximize your flipped home's appeal. Fortunately, as an expert home flipper and experienced real estate agent, I know the right strategies to host an effective open house showing for your fix and list property, and here's what you need to know. First, I like to highlight key improvements and upgrades. I recommend using staging and visual aids like before and after photos to emphasize the changes you've made to the home. This way, you'll get to demonstrate the value that you've added to this property, whether these are now new modern updated kitchens, updated bathrooms, new flooring, new furniture, new paint, all the things. Showing what the house looked like before versus now is going to help that buyer appreciate the home even more and show them that this is move-in ready. Next, you want to create an inviting atmosphere. Open house showings are not just about visuals. It's an overall immersive and emotional experience for buyers, as they will be picturing the home as their own and seeing their kids running around or their family over and friends over for parties. So to maximize this to your advantage, engage the buyer's senses by incorporating pleasant scents, flowers, adding soft background music, and that's right, more staging. Make it look beautiful. Next, we want to engage visitors with local market insights. After your potential buyers have been charmed by your property, the next step is to convince them why the neighborhood is the right one to live in. Location, location, location. So tell them about the local amenities, entertainment options, restaurants, shopping centers, and everything that highlights the livability of this amazing neighborhood. So there you have it. I hope you find these tips helpful. Remember, don't let your hard-earned renovations go unnoticed. Make every open house count. If you have any questions or want me to help you sell your home or update your home before selling it using my Fix and List program, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I look forward to hearing from you and make it a great day. I'm Stacy Chaffin with Real Broker, and I'm Utah's Fix and List agent.